Hello students, in this video we will see the syllabus of subject Basic Mathematics of Diploma Semester 1st and the subject code is 22103 and this syllabus is for all the branches. And in this video you will have the detailed explanation of marking system also. So let us start. Very first unit is algebra, that is for 20 marks. First point, logarithm. In that you will have to learn concepts and laws of logarithm and sums based on that. Second point, determinant and matrices. In determinant you have to find out the value of determinant of order 3 by 3 as you have solved the values of determinant of 2 by 2 in 10th standard. Solution of simultaneous equation in 3 unknown by Cramer's rule. This point you have already learnt in your 10th standard syllabus. Same Cramer's rule you have to solve here. Matrices, algebra of matrices, transpose, adjoint, inverse of matrices. These are the operations on matrices. Solution of simultaneous equation by matrix inverse method. Next point is types of partial fraction based on nature of factors and related. Next unit, trigonometry, that is for 20 marks. First point, trigonometric ratios of compound, allied, multiple and submultiple angles. You don't have to give proof of that. Next point, factorization and defactorization formula, that is also without proof. Only you have to see the formula and solve the sum. Inverse trigonometric ratios and related problems. Principal values and relation between trigonometric inverse trigonometric ratios. Unit number 3, coordinate geometry, that is for 8 marks. First point, straight line and slope of straight line. You have to find out angles between two lines. Then next point is you have to apply the condition of parallel and perpendicular lines and solve the sums. Next is various forms of straight lines. Slope, first is slope of point form and 2-point form. Next, 2-point intercept form. Next, general form. Next, perpendicular distance from a point on a line. Next, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. In this lesson, you have to solve the sums that you have already solved in 10th standard. Means this 90% lesson is already finished in 10th standard. Next is mensuration, 8 marks. First point, area of regular and closed figure, area of triangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and circle. Second, volume of cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. This lesson also, maximum sums you have already solved in 10th standard. Same formulas you have to apply and same way you have to solve the sums. Last unit, that is statistics, that is of 14 marks. First point is range, coefficient of range of discrete and group data. Second, mean deviation and standard deviation from mean of grouped and ungrouped data and weighted means. Next point is variance and coefficient of variance. Next, comparison of two sets of observation. That was the syllabus. Now, examination scheme. If theory paper, means if written paper will be there, that paper will be of 70 marks and you have to get minimum 28 marks for passing. Then you have to give practicals, that is of 30 marks. there is no passing in that. If you get 0, still you are passed in practical. But that practical will be like this: 10 marks for micro project and 20 marks, that is the average of 2 unit tests. Means there will be 2 unit tests, one is of 20 marks, second is also of 20 marks, and in your final mark sheet 20 marks from the unit test will be added, and 10 marks you have to do the micro project in your first semester. So like this 30 marks will be added in practical, that will come in your mark sheet, and the total marks are 100 and minimum passing is 40 marks. But if online MCQ examination will be there this year, then that MCQ exam will be of 35 marks. There will be 40 questions and you have to solve 35. You can solve all 40, but marks will be 35 and time will be 1 hour. And these marks will be converted into 70 marks like your theory exam marks. Practical same way, 30 marks you will get, 2 unit test 20 marks, and one micro project is of 10 marks. See, these marks are in your hand. How you will do that micro project, you will get marks. Means you can get this 10 marks fully. So this way there will be total 100 marks paper if there will be MCQ examination. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Share it with the maximum students so that they can also get an idea of the syllabus. Thank you.